Welcome to our guide on verifying Bitcoin on your PayPal account. In this video, we'll explore how PayPal integrates with Bitcoin and why verification is essential. Before proceeding, it's crucial to understand why verification is necessary for your Bitcoin transactions. Proper verification enhances security and compliance. Let's begin with accessing your PayPal account. Enter your credentials and log in to get started. Once logged in, navigate to the cryptocurrency section in your account. Here you'll find options related to Bitcoin. To start the Bitcoin verification process, click on the Verify button located within the Bitcoin section of your account. You will need to provide certain documents for verification, such as identity proof and address verification. Make sure these are ready. Here are some tips for successful verification. Ensure documents are clear and legible, and follow the guidelines provided by PayPal. If you encounter issues during the verification process, check for common problems like document clarity and compatibility. Once verified, you're ready to buy, sell, or hold Bitcoin on PayPal. It's never been easier to manage your digital assets. In conclusion, verifying Bitcoin on PayPal opens up a world of possibilities for users. The future of cryptocurrency is bright,